Consider the third family, ketones. You know the functional group of ketone is CO and the name is ending with ONE. So consider the first compound, CH3, CO, CH2, CH3. So first of all, let us number this compound. If you are starting from left side, it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this numbering is the right way of numbering, since the carbonyl group, the carbonyl or the functional group gets the lowest number. If you are numbering from this side, it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, and third position will be the carbonyl group. Here it is the second position, that is the correct way of numbering, since it gets the lowest number. So let us name this compound. Here there is no prefix, that means no substituents are there. The total number of carbon atoms in the parent chain is 4. So we can start with the word root, that is bute, butane, since there is single bond between carbon atoms. So we can write butane, and E is replaced by ONE, but we have to write the position of that functional group since it is in the second position. So it is butane 2-on. So butane 2-on is the IUPAC name of this particular ketone. So let us write another compound, CH3CO. So in this case also we have to number, and the carbonyl group should get the lowest number. So from left to right, the numbering should be from left to right. Since there are 5 carbon atoms, the parent chain contains 5 carbon atoms. So we can start with pent. There is no substituents. So we can start with the word root. It is pent, and penten. We can add an also, since there is single bond between carbon atoms. Then the position of the functional group. So it is pentane 2-on. So pentane 2-on is the IUPAC name of this particular compound. So this is the third compound. Let us number this compound 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So parent chain contains 5 carbon atoms, and there is a substituent. So here there is a substituent, this is a methyl group, and we can name this compound. First of all, we have to add the substituent. So it is in the third position. So we can start with 3-methyl. Methyl group is in the third position. Then the word root, since there are 5 carbon atoms, we can write pent. Then AN, since there is single bond, pentane. Then ONE, ONE in the second position. So we can write 3-methyl pentane 2-on. So the IUPAC name is 3-methyl pentane 2-on. So we can write another compound. So this is the fourth compound. We can number this compound. Here also 5 carbon atoms in the parent chain, and we can see 2 substituents here. So 2 substituents, both are methyl groups. So that is in the third position. So we can number this compound. First of all, write the prefix, that is the substituent, that is 3,3-dimethyl. Third position, 2 methyl groups. So there is 3,3-dimethyl. Then comes the word root. It is pent. We can write pentane, and CO is in the second position. So it is pentane 2-on. So the IUPAC name is 3,3-dimethyl pentane 2-on.